Good morning, children. Today we'll do English Grammar, Chapter 9, Pronouns. I hope you must have done this pronouns in class 3. So you must be knowing about pronouns. First, let us talk about the heading pronouns. Let us break pronouns into two, pro plus nouns. Meaning of pro is in place of, and meaning of nouns is names. So pronoun means in place of nouns. So words used in place of nouns in a sentence are called pronouns. Let us see the example. Samir is a student. Samir likes cricket. So Samir is noun, and here Samir is noun and student is also noun. Now in place of this noun Samir, we will add pronouns and see the change and see the beauty of the sentence. Samir is a student. He likes cricket. So in place of Samir, we have used the pronoun he. Some more examples of pronouns are Sheila is a dancer. Sheila is a girl. She is dancing on the stage. So she is used in place of Sheila. The rat is in the hole. It is very small. It is used in place of rat. Rat is an animal. Now it is always used in place of animals and non-living things. Children are fond of story books. They are reading now. Now children is a noun and it is plural. So we are using plural form of children, they. That is the pronoun. The actor has great talent. He has won an award. The actor is a noun and it's a male, so we are using it he. So the pronouns are she, it, they and he. Now children, let's see the kinds of pronouns. There are 4 kinds of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. Second is demonstrative pronouns. Third is reflexive pronoun, and fourth is interrogative pronoun. So the 4 pronouns are personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and interrogative pronoun. So have you understood? There are 4 types of. So let's do the first part, that is the personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used for particular persons or things. Particular person और things के लिए जो use होता है उसे हम personal pronouns बोलते हैं. Personal pronoun can be understood this way: first person, second person and third person. Now children, let's take example. This when they have written this here, it becomes little bit difficult for you to understand. I will explain you the 3 persons. Suppose let's take example me, that is Ma'am Mary, and one girl is talking. Okay, I, like Ma'am, I become the first person, that Ma'am Mary becomes the first person. I am talking to one student, that student becomes the second person. We both are talking about a third girl of the class. She becomes the third person. I, first person. I, me, us, we. They all become the first person, and with whom am I talking? I am talking to you. So you becomes the second person, and we both are talking about whom? We are talking about a girl of the class. That girl, she or he or it, they become the third person. Is it clear? Now first person, the person who is speaking. Second person, the person who is or are spoken to. Third person, the person who is or are spoken about. मैं जो बात कर रही हूँ और मैं किससे बात कर रही हूँ और मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. जिसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ वो बन जाता है थर्ड पर्सन, और जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो बन जाता है सेकेंड पर्सन, और मैं खुद क्या बन जाती हूँ? फर्स्ट पर्सन. Now this personal pronoun can be subjective pronouns, can be objective pronouns and can be possessive pronouns. Now you should understand what is subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns means doer of an action. The first person, जैसे जो बोल रहा है, जो कर रहा है काम, he becomes the subjective pronoun. Objective pronoun, जिसके ऊपर कर रहा है, जो रिसीव कर रहा है, जो एक्शन रिसीव कर रहा है, वो ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन हो जाता है. पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन लाइक दिस बुक बिलोंग्स टू मी, दिस बुक इज माइन. सो जैसे कोई पोजीशन बताते हैं ना, ये पेन मेरा है, ये पेन मुझसे बिलोंग करता है, ये पेन मेरा है. सो दिस बिकम्स possessive pronouns. Okay, clear to all of you children? And I will be sending this table also to you, so you can see the table about first person and second person. Singular में कैसा यूज़ होता है, plural में कैसा यूज़ होता है, objective singular plural, possessive pronoun singular plural. Clear to all of you? Now a very important part which we are going to do is the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out objects near or far in singular or plural form. Now different demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Now see child, this is a pen, okay, this is a pen. Okay, now when I am talking about one pen lying closer to me, I will use this. I am pointing out this is my pen. So when I am pointing out to this singular pen, so this becomes singular demonstrative. Now one pen is lying little bit far, I will say that is a pen. Now again, that is a demonstrative pronoun for things lying far. Now suppose two things, suppose two pens are lying, I'll say these are two pens. Now two pens if I have got, I'll say these are two pens. Two pens closer, lying close to me, we'll call these, and these same pens when they are lying far away, I'll say those are two pens. Now that is also a demonstrative pronoun used for plural lying far, plural lying close is these, plural lying far is those. Okay, clear to all of you? Now let us see the example. See the underlined word demonstrative. This is my bag. Demonstrative is this. That is her toy. Demonstrative is that. So these, those, this, those, that, these, this. These are all underlined words are all demonstrative. Next is children reflexive pronouns. When subject of the sentence does something to itself, we use a reflexive pronoun. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट अपने आप पर कुछ करता है उसको हम बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. लाइक द बॉय इज वॉशिंग द क्लोथ्स हिमसेल्फ. who is washing the cloth himself? Boy. So we are talking about the boy in the subject also, and we are talking about the boy in the predicate also. So that becomes a reflexive pronoun. The boy who is washing the cloth, the boy is washing the cloth himself. So himself is a reflexive pronoun. I love myself. Whom do you love? I love myself. So myself is a reflexive pronoun. She does all the tasks herself. So herself becomes the reflexive pronoun. So we are talking about she in the subject also and she in the predicate also in the form of herself. Father is driving the car himself. Who is driving the car? Father. And how is he driving? He is driving himself. So himself is a reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves to the pronoun. प्रोनाउन में हम हिम के साथ हमने सेल्फ लगा दिया, इट बिकम्स रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. इट सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्व्स, आर सेल्व्स, देम सेल्व्स. क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? नाउ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन you will be able to do it very easily. Next is the last one is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means already you know asking question. Meaning of interrogative is asking question. Words which are used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns like who, whose, whom, what, which. Now who, whose, whom, what and which. Who, whose, whom is are used to ask questions about person. पर्सन के बारे में जब भी हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं दैट विल कम इन टू हु, हुज एंड हुम. वॉट जो है इज़ यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट थिंग्स. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के बारे में जब भी हम पूछते हैं या थिंग्स के बारे में जब भी हम पूछते हैं वी यूज़ वॉट. विच इज़ यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स और पर्सन्स. विच जो है पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स और पर्सन्स के जगह यूज होता है. सो इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन मीन्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. So with this we end the kinds of pronoun. One is personal pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Children, I'll be sending you the PDF along with the chapter and the exercises. So read the chapter again. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you.